Here we come to the elevators at Terminal D at George Bush Intercontinental Airport in Houston, Texas. These are original 1989 Montgomery elevators with Adams fixtures. I finally got a chance to do an updated take. We got this one right here. These elevators are insanely busy. Only thing is the cab has been redone. We're gonna get a quick cab because lots and lots of people are gonna be getting in. These are definitely Montgomery according to that chime. These are your fixtures. These are one of the only original elevators left in this entire airport. I'm only going to film these elevators here because I'm in a rush to catch a plane soon.
Level 1, nivel 1, going down.
Bye.
Alright, this is going to be the best elevator video I'm going to get.
Walking level, puente o pasillo peatonal, going up, sube.
Alright, there it goes. And that's it.